Gold as crisis protection. Banks can fail. History has shown this many times. When a bank collapses, money stored in accounts can become inaccessible or lose significant value. Currencies can also weaken because of inflation or political instability. Gold is different. It does not rely on any specific bank, government, or financial institution. That is why it is often described as the final form of financial security when other systems become unstable. The Qatar example. Qatar provides a modern example of how countries think about long-term financial strategy. When the country increased its gold reserves, it demonstrated long-term planning rather than short-term speculation. The world is currently experiencing a transition in energy systems, and the future balance of economic power may change. By holding large reserves of gold, Qatar prepares for a future where stability may depend more on financial strength than natural resources. Family. Example, small-scale gold. This principle does not apply only to countries or billionaires. Many ordinary families follow the same logic on a smaller scale. Gold jewelry, coins, or small bars are often kept as a form of savings. Even if the value is relatively small, it represents something real that can preserve purchasing power during difficult periods. Slovenian memory example. In many families across Central and Eastern Europe, gold has long been viewed as something reliable. Rings, necklaces, and coins were often saved for decades and passed down through generations. During periods of high inflation in Yugoslavia, when paper money rapidly lost value, gold jewelry often retained its worth. People did not keep gold because they were wealthy, but because they wanted a form of security during uncertain times. Common strategy of dynasties. When we examine powerful families throughout history, we see the same pattern repeatedly. They rarely rely entirely on paper money or financial markets. Instead, they keep part of their wealth in tangible assets such as gold. Most importantly, they think in generations rather than short-term profits.